Next, I calculate sales for each salesman. Click on Sales Data Sheet. I create another pivot table. Click on Pivot Table. Click OK. Rename this sheet Sales by Salesperson. Then from the field pane, drag and drop months field in rows box and drag and drop salesperson field in columns box. Drag and drop revenue field in values box. After that, I format these values. Select currency, click OK. Then click on pivot chart. Select column chart, click OK. Hide this field. Then I remove horizontal lines. Check chart title. Give title to this chart Sales by Salesperson. Then again select all. Select text color this color and click on bold. After that, select vertical axis values. Change the values color. Horizontal axis values and legends. Double click on this chart. I change the column colors. First select this column. Click on solid. Then I select this color. Select this column. Change this color. Then select this column. Select this color and select this column. Select this color. After that, select vertical axis values. Click on text options. Select solid line and select the solid line color, this color. Similarly, select horizontal axis values, select solid line and select legends. Select solid. Then copy this chart. Click on dashboard sheet and paste at this position. Resize. Drag and drop at this position. Select no fill and no outline. Then drag and drop this title at this position. Change the icon color. Rename this sheet Customer Revenue. Then drag and drop revenue field in values box and customer name field in rows box. Format these numbers. Select currency, click OK. Then click on pivot chart. Select bar chart, click OK. Hide all fields button on chart. Remove horizontal axis values and legends. Rename chart title Customer Revenue. Then again select all. Select this color and click on bold. Then select vertical axis. Select solid fill. I remove vertical axis lines. Then I change the bar colors. Select solid. Click on design. Then click on change colors. I have many options here. Select this scheme. Then right click. I sort these values. Sort smallest to largest. Then copy this chart. Click on dashboard sheet and place at this position. Resize this chart. First select no fill color and no outline. Then I resize. First change the color for this icon. Then resize. I remove this vertical line. Double click. Click on no line. After that, drag and drop chart title at this position. Similarly, I sort the values of this chart. I sort by grand total. Select smallest to largest. I see here the columns are also changed in the dashboard.